Hey Megan, Vincent Parker again here at Tamarron Honda in Hoover. I want to thank you for your online inquiry on the brand new Honda Odyssey. Now this is the new one, the one that you inquired about, the black EXL. Just wanted to go over some of those features on this particular vehicle for you right here. Also talk about the Honda release package again, which is just basically $1,000 off of a new Honda, pushing your payments back 90 days. Also, just want to let you know that we are making sure that the dealership is nice and sanitized, as well as the vehicle. Before we show the vehicle, we wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean for you. Also, we wipe down our desk every morning, and then have our overnight crew come in and wipe it down every night as well. So making sure everything's nice and clean. I know you got those twins, want to make sure that you guys stay safe during this whole process. So basically, the vehicle right here has Honda sensing on it as well. Got the binocular camera there on the front. Your there's radar right here behind your H. Now again, that's lane keep assist, lane departure mitigation, forward collision braking, and adaptive cruise control. Now what each one of those do, lane departure warning actually pulls you back inside the lane because you start to veer out. Lane keep assist actually kind of steers the vehicle for you to make sure that you stay nice and centered inside your lanes at all times. Forward collision braking means if a vehicle pulls out in front of you, your vehicle automatically comes to a stop without you putting your foot on the brake. And adaptive cruise control means that your vehicle matches the vehicle speed in front of you, slows down, speeds up, and even comes to a complete stop. All right. Now this vehicle, you're also going to get daytime LED running lights here. You're going to get your nice fog lights there. You're going to get your nice alloy wheels on this vehicle. You come with me this way. Got your keyless entry still. Just pull the handle, automatically unlocks. Memory seats here, power seat, 10-way power seat. So for your lumbar adjustment, you have a lot of controls there on the steering wheel. Nice touchscreen audio display with your push button shifter. You have snow mode and econ mode, which are two very different modes and effective modes. And now back here in the back is probably my favorite part about the vehicle. Got your power sliding doors, but also your magic seats. So the middle seat comes out. You can now slide the seat this way as well as this way, lock it into place. You can slide both seats or just one, kind of to make it fit however you want to make it. Give me a call, reach out to me at 205-821-7846 if you have any questions at all. And if there's one thing I can guarantee you, when you get here to Tamarron on Saturday, you're absolutely gonna love the way you treat it.